So hi guys, welcome back again to my page and my channel. Please like and subscribe. Okay, I would like you to share this video to your friends so that they can benefit, like they can watch this video. Okay, so I want to teach you guys on how to borrow money from easemoni. Okay, this is very simple. I can say that easemoni is one of the best loan app in Nigeria because they can give you loan for 15 days. Okay, so if you can see in my dashboard, I have 14,000 naira, my loan limit. It means that I cannot withdraw anything above 14,000 naira. Okay, so how to apply for this loan? You click on get funds. Okay, I will tell you guys the reason why I say that easemoni is one of the best loan app in Nigeria. Okay, so for example, if I want to borrow 14,000 naira, you can see choose a loan tenor, special offer 30 days. This one is 15 days, this one is 19 days, though the 91 days is locked. Okay, see where I want to emphasize on. Other loan app can give you loan for 30 days, the same interest 0.80%. Okay, but you can see here with this 30 days, if I borrow 14,000 naira, let me show you guys amount of the interest I'm going to pay. Okay, the due date. Okay, you see, you click on this due date, this. Okay, if you read, you have to read this thing very well. Okay, this money today is 26th November. The next 30 days will be on 25th December. Okay, I'm going to pay the money the 31 days will be on 25th December. Okay, the money I'm applying is 14,000 naira. The interest there is 3,352 naira. Okay, the total money will be 17,352 naira. But if you select on 15 days, you can see that the money will be reduced. Okay, the interest there now is 1,676. Are you seeing the difference? So for example, you have some, like for example, you can get the money back within 15 days. No need of applying loan for 30 days, because even if you pay the money back in the following day, you are going to pay the full interest. Okay, so in this one now, this one is the very cheapest way. Okay, any app that can lessen the days, that can give you 15 days, it's more better. Unless you don't have hope of getting the money in 15 days, then you can apply for 30 days. Okay, so this one now, let's go on 11,000. So let's check how much you are going to pay back. Only 1,300. Very simple. Okay, you click on I know. So if you want to apply for this loan, remember this place you are seeing disburse account. That's where you can put your account number. I've already put in my account number. If you want to add another one, you click on add, select bank, you add account number. After adding account number, you click on confirm. Okay, so now let's move on. I don't know which one I'm to go. Due date 14,000 naira. I'll pay 1,006. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, so let's click on I know. So let's apply for 14,000 naira loan. You click on apply. Okay, you have to check very well first. The loan there is 14,000 naira. Loan tenor 15 days. The money I'm going to pay back is 15,676. You click on confirm. Okay, so once you click there, you see something like this, loan processing. Okay, this app will call you before 5 minutes and ask you for confirmation. If you are the one that is applying for the loan, that you should tell them to go on. Okay, once you approve, they confirm it, you get your money before 2 minutes. So I would like you to share this video so that other people will benefit from it. Okay, remember to follow us on Facebook and YouTube, Samuski tutorial class, for more updates. Okay, then you go back to the main dashboard. Remember, everything is settled. Your loan is being processed and will be disbursed into your bank account. This is my account. If you receive a call, start with 6202 or 3202. Please answer it promptly to finish the verification, because they're going to call you. Once they call you, tell them that you are the one that is applying for the loan. They will send you the money ASAP. That's it.